Hey guys, and welcome to Security Dashboard. I'm going to show you how to get started with the platform. Okay, so first of all, log into your platform. You're going to see a dashboard that looks something similar to this. Keep in mind that it might look empty. Okay, that's okay. Click on the code button right here. Copy this entire code, Control C. Okay, copy it, make sure. And keep in mind you're going to copy the same code, for each of your site. It's going to detect which site you're using it for. Okay, here it says to include it inside your every page. Now the easiest way to do this is to add it on a header file or footer file. So add it on either header or footer. Okay, so a couple things. CMSs, they usually tell you where to add it. If you're using a PHP, just add it on a header, and that should be it. I'm going to show you how it's done on a WordPress appearance editor, and there is header and footer. So header.php, right? That's option 1. Option 2 is footer.php, right? Where should you add it? I recommend footer. Okay, and you can add it wherever you wish, but don't add it like randomly. I can add it between body right here, so at the end, okay? Or I can add it right after, right here. Let's add it here, like that, okay? Update. That's for footer. Now, where would you add it for the header? Let me show that to you. So header.php. You only need to add it in one of these places and you'll be fine. For this one, add it between the heads. So that right here, you can add it right here between the head tags. See the head tag? So add it right here and you should be good to go. Once it's saved, let's go and refresh. I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to go and open up this website on a new window. And it's a demo. It's a dummy thing. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page at this time. And boom. Login 012 has been added. Keep in mind that you might need to go to your website at least once for you to see the thing. Okay. Now let's click on monitor. Now here you can go ahead and see what you want to monitor. Click on one of these things. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on what you like to monitor. The DDoS, Crawlbot. Do you need to monitor everything? Not really. I like to monitor everything except the foreign ping, because it might actually be a real visitor. So I don't like to check this, but you might in some cases. If you need to know what these are, you might need to Google it, but to be honest, just select everything except this one if you know what you're doing. But I wouldn't select this if you're expecting a visitor from a different country than where the server is. Okay, you need to add your email and your phone number here. So if something does happen, something is fishy, it's going to go and send you a notification. Save, and to be honest, you're pretty much done now. What's going to happen next is I'm going to go ahead and go to a different site. I'm going to go here to one of my sites. It has more. Go to this one, different one. Okay, this one. And let's see. I'm going to click on flagged. It doesn't have anything flagged. Some do, some don't. Let me see. Of course. Okay. So these are flagged, meaning something is going fishy here. So you would know. You can also go and click on foreign referrer, and you'll see it here as well. If someone using a proxy or they're using some sort of bot IPs, you would see it right here. Very simple, very easy. Now, if you're not going to use that, just go and click on this. And if you click on view data, it shows you exactly what they did, what the visitor did at that second. Okay, very simple, very easy. Now we got IP monitor. Now IP monitor pretty much means that it's going to track down their activities based on their IP address. For example, right, this IP address has 4 digits. This one has 20. Click on view access, view all access, and you'll see what they did right here, just for you. Now, lastly, I have something called ban this IP address feature. If I go to banned IPs and I can type in the IP address, or I can pretty much go here and let's click on one of these, okay? And IP bands, see it's added it right here. Now let's go ahead and let's delete this for now. You get an idea right here. If you want to add an IP address like this, you can redirect it to them. Let's say Google. Let's say somebody just used to want somebody there. You can direct them to Google right here. Add, and IP is invalid. So make sure to actually add a real IP address that exists. Okay, just keep that in mind. Don't put 00. That's not going to work. Make sure it's a valid IP address. And that's pretty much it. If you have a reseller, you might not. If you have a reseller, you're going to go to sub accounts, click on create user, and you're going to go ahead and type up their name, email, username, password, and select which package do you want. So right here it says supports it. Ignore that. It's going to say 10 websites, something like that. Okay, pretty much that, and we are done. I hope you enjoy the system. If you have any questions, make sure to open a ticket at geargroup.net. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.